Hello everybody, I'm D Polo here at Range USA, and once again I was not expecting to find this, but so I'm just filming with a GoPro and nothing else, so forgive the quality. But I wanted to show you the new Glock 47, and again, Glock innovation, right? So what do we have here with the 47? And it has been safety checked. 17 round mags. And what it is the grip frame of the Glock 45 with a slide of the 17. You can see where it ends here. So some people are buying these. If you already have a Glock 19, they're just putting the slide of the 17 on the frame of the 19, and you got a 19L. But this is something that was ordered, I believe, by the Border Patrol, if I remember correctly. But feels, again, I just picked this up, so I haven't done any research on it yet, but the texture feels good. It feels like the RTF texture or something similar to it. As always, they insist on just giving you the one slot rail down here. It's got the front serrations and it's got optics ready. You still have the same Glock sights. You love them or hate them, but that's what you still have. And they were already safety checked before the video, so nobody freak out. The trigger is just regular Glock trigger. I don't feel any better, any worse. Just regular Glock. So I wanted to give you a quick look at the new offering from Glock. The Glock, I don't know if you can see this, but Glock 47. Made in Austria, not in the US, at least the sample. Let me know what you think. Again, 17 round mags. Thanks Range USA for allowing me to film this and get my hands on it. And look forward to your comments. Let me know what you think. Thanks for stopping by. God bless.